Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today I'm going to talk about a custom build. So the customer put it together a few years ago, and he was using some of the old Intel components, and he upgraded to the 1050 Ti, as you can tell. Now we have jumped the unit with the B450, 2600 Ryzen X, and the GTX1660. So this has 6 video cards. It's overclocked by default from the manufacturer, and we were running some of the temperatures that you can tell over here on the screen. This is a software that we use, and we will recommend it to you guys. It'll tell you what's the cooling system, if it's running under load, if it's running really hot or cool or whatever. If you have a pump, it'll tell you the pump, the liquid cooler, video card, hard drives, everything. So we upgraded the unit, and we were probably gonna actually clone to a solid state drive, which is going to be at least twice the speed, and for performance in gaming it'll make a huge difference. So if you're looking to upgrade your computer, if you have any questions, just leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.